Superior convenience of the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine. The Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine is the ideal choice for washing shops looking to elevate their services. With advanced technology and fully automated capabilities, customers will be satisfied not only with the speed, but also with the quality of the wash. The automatic motorbike movement system minimizes human intervention while ensuring hygiene and safety for the vehicle throughout the washing process. Investing in the Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine is not just an investment in equipment. It's an investment in a professional service experience that maximizes customer satisfaction. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing machine and need further consultation, please leave a comment below the video or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye, and see you in our next videos.